Cause I don't know. That's the answer to the question about that. I can read that in your voice. Cause I don't know.
Now who is Bo that?
Hold on.
It's the comments. I don't see the comments.
Well, here we go. Here go my own doorbell. Ding dong. Oh, who is that? Who do we have here?
Hey,
Hey, Modak.
what happened? You was in the luxury background and now you in the project with the brick wall?
Now I'm in the hood, Charlotte. Hey, hey,
Don't
hey,
bring me to the
hey,
hood,
From
girl.
Four Seasons, right?
hey,
From Four Seasons.
hey. You so damn stupid. You like my brick wall.
It's giving jailbird.
I bet you like it, though. You like them jailbirds.